Are you sending emails to your hot clients but none of them are opening? In my last video, I have explained all about traffic, like how can you bring traffic to your business and convert them into high-paying customers. A lot of entrepreneurs face the same problem and they start feeling stuck and frustrated. Mostly in this case, the problem is or the issue is that their business is not having an attractive character. Guys, gone are those days where you can have a faceless or characterless business. This is the digital era and it demands your business to have an attractive character. Trust me guys, when you intentionally create an attractive character for your business will change forever. Okay, let me make it clear. When I am talking about attractive character, it doesn't mean a person extremely good looking, although they can be. But what I am talking about is a person with a persona that attracts. Okay, so think about any business. One of the most successful business always has a character. For example, McDonald's, Tesla, Starbucks, Apple, etc. So also think about your favorite movie. We all have that attractive character in movie which we love them, we feel connected with them, etc. So similarly, for any business, let it be gym, pest control, financing, investing, etc. all can use characters. So now the next question would be, how do you build this attractive character? So basically, to build an attractive character, you have 4 components. The first one would be elements, and second one would be identity, and the third one would be storyline. Now let's just jump into the first component of an attractive character, that is the elements. Okay, so basically there are 4 different elements of an attractive character. The first one would be a good relatable backstory, and second one, they should always speak in terms of short stories so that it is easy to understand. And the third one, the character should have some flaws. It should not be perfect. And the fourth one is it should have the ability to polarize the readers. Okay, so let's understand the second component of attractive character, that is identity. Identity can be given in any form to the character depending upon your business. Your character can identify themselves as a leader, as a reporter, as an adventurer, or as a reluctant hero. It totally depends on your business. Okay, so the final and the most important component of an attractive character is storyline. Yes, your character should always communicate with your audience in the form of a storyline. Be it an email sequence or video content, your character should always have a story. It can be anything guys. It can be a secret telling or an amazing discovery telling, the before and after story. It can be anything guys, but remember it should have a story. Guys, it's all about story. And if you want to know more about brand storytelling, then you should watch my video on brand storytelling which I had recently uploaded. You must watch it guys. So that's it for this video guys, and now you guys know what you have to do. Go like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Bye bye, see you in the next video.